In this tutorial, I'll show you how to model, texture and render a strawberry made possible by a Voronoi texture image. Scale the bottom face. Press Ctrl 5 to subdivide and increase the viewport and render subdivision levels to 6. Add a displace modifier. Select Voronoi with distance squared. Set the displace modifier strength to -0.12. Go to Shading, create a new material. Create a metallic and shiny reflective red material. Duplicate the mesh and scale it like this. Create an empty and use that as the anchor point for the green meshes array. While the green mesh is selected, press Ctrl A and reset all transforms. Rotate the empty object on the Z-axis. Apply the array modifier. This is the end of the Voronoi strawberry tutorial. Please like and subscribe if you have enjoyed watching this tutorial. Thank you for watching.